Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update link building with Outreach.io for US brands, complete guide step by step clearly. To update link building with Outreach.io for US brands, follow these steps. Begin by logging into your Outreach.io account. Navigate to the Opportunities tab on the main dashboard. Select New Opportunity to create a fresh outreach campaign. Choose the appropriate template for your link building outreach. Customize the subject line to reflect the specific campaign theme. Insert personalized elements in the email body for better engagement. Next, add recipients by importing a list of targeted contacts. Utilize the filtering options to focus on US brands that align with your niche. Once your list is ready, schedule the outreach emails for optimal sending times. Monitor the engagement metrics post-email delivery for effective analysis. Adjust your outreach strategy based on open and response rates. Use the built-in A/B testing feature to experiment with different email formats. Revise your templates based on the performance data you gather. Incorporate follow-up emails into your outreach sequence. Utilize the tasks feature to remind you of follow-ups and next steps. Leverage the reporting tools to evaluate the effectiveness of your campaigns. Stay informed about the latest updates from Outreach.io for new features. Engage with your target brands authentically to build lasting relationships. Continuously refine your approach to link building based on feedback. Stay patient, as effective link building takes time and persistence. By applying these steps, you will successfully update your link building strategy using Outreach.io for US brands. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.